Here we have a 2009 Ford Tuscany VMI handicap wheelchair conversion van, E250 extended. This is a very nice van, 141,000 original miles. It's in pretty good shape. I'll point out any flaws I can find. We specialize in these vans. We've been in business 45 years. Give me a call, 954-561-2499, or send me a text at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. I'm happy to help to clear it up at any time. I'll do the best I can to describe this vehicle for you so you can see what you're looking at. Pretty nice van, clean Carfax. Belonged to a snowbird here in Florida. It is an E250 extended. It's very rare to find one of these. Pretty good condition. It does have some cosmetic flaws here and there just from the year and mileage, but overall very nice. Runs good. The lift was just serviced. Does have a UVL, power doors, transfer seat. Everything is wireless, remote control powered. Everything is working and doing what it's supposed to do. No warning lights on. It's got an easy lock in the back. There's a nice wood floor setup, full leather interior, wood grain. Pretty nice van. Pretty nice van overall. I will point out anything I can find. No stories. Paint shines pretty nicely. There's a couple little marks on the top, of course. In the clear coat, it's not bad, just kind of on the back part. But overall, very nice. It's a little scratch here on the driver's side. Couple little dings around the van from normal wear and tear. It's a little dent here also in the rear quarter. Overall very nice, just trying to point out anything I can. Also the front bumper has a couple little dents in it as well. But this van runs and drives great. A couple little dents in the front bumper. Overall very nice van. It will be priced for what it is. 2009 Ford E250. It does have room for two wheelchairs. It does have easy lock. It is a UVL. It was serviced. You got the power doors, transfer seat, driver's side. Beautiful wood floor. The seats are in great shape, nice condition. It does have a rear power folding bench seat bed. Got all your indirect limo lighting. Wood grain interior accents throughout. Interior shows some signs of wear on the panels, but the carpet and seats are excellent. Very, very nice. Does have an easy lock there. Try to give you the full tour here. UVL, power bed, you got all your window shades. Runs good. Everything is working the way it's supposed to. I'll run you through all the equipment so that you know and you can see it working for yourself. This is the transfer seat. Got all your owner's manuals and everything right there. Got your easy lock and your intermotive control panel there for your wheelchair lift. You can also operate the lift right there. Radio is working. It does have a backup camera in the mirror. Don't hesitate to give us a call at any time, 954-561-2499. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com. We accept all types of trade-ins. We can help with shipping to anywhere in the world. Shipping times are a little slow right now, but it does get done. We can help. It's running good. It goes through all its paces. It is a 5.4 liter V8, cold air, dual air, both are working. Both are ice cold. Obviously you can't feel it, but it's cold. Here I am in Florida, so gotta have cold air. Tires are good. They're about 50% on the tread. Pretty rust-free van, very nice. Clean all the way around. Like I said, I'll do my best to point out any flaws that I can. Very nice. Got tons of room in here. I mean, tons of room. It's enough room for two wheelchairs in this van if you wanted. Very versatile van. It is a 250 extended, 2009. Give us a call anytime. Text us at 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. More than happy to help at any time. Got your wireless remote system here. Remote system. The lift was just serviced at Mobility Works. Had about $1,000 service done on it. Power doors, transfer seat, easy lock. Oh. That was user error. I was pushing the wrong button there. There you go. It does open and close the way it's supposed to, just so you can see that again. There you go. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. You have any questions or concerns? I hope I was able to go over everything. Ask for Jeff or Ken. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Do the best we can to describe every vehicle possible. If you find this helpful, please give us a like at the bottom of the video. Hit that thumbs up. Thank you.